Struggling with computer skills? Want to enhance your career? In today's digital world, many lack essential computer skills. Could the right training change your future? Introducing LAPDA Academy. A complete program teaching vital computer skills, including Microsoft Office, Windows setup, and more. Elevate your tech knowledge. How it works. Hands-on training with expert instructors. Available in person or online. Track your progress regularly. Achieve measurable skill improvements. Mastery of Microsoft Office, gain proficiency in essential productivity software. Ability to install Windows and software, learn crucial technical skills for system setup. Flexible learning options, choose a schedule that fits your lifestyle and commitments. Expert guidance, receive support and insights from experienced instructors. Sounds exciting? LAPDA Academy. Visit us to discover more about our courses. Enroll now.